So we are on page 393. This is chapter 7 review. Okay, number 2, let's read it together. The clock, you can see a clock here, okay? The clock shows the time Michael eats breakfast, okay? So at this time that you can see on the clock here, Michael eats his breakfast, okay? Write the time and then circle AM or PM, okay? So, who can tell me what am I going to write here? What is the time that you can see on the clock? I need you to tell me by numbers. Who can say it? Ru'ya, can you do it?
7:10.
I'm so proud of you. Very good. Very good. Did you write it?
Yes.
Great job. Okay, guys. So the answer of number 2 is 7:10. You write it like this. 7:10. So this is question number 2. Okay, guys? So the answer of question number 2 is 7:10. Okay? So number 2 question, please write it. Write it. The answer of number 2 is 7:10 because the clock is 7:10. Okay, Ru'ya, can you tell me, is it AM or PM?
AM.
Why? It's correct, but can you tell me why? Think. Why do you think it's AM and not PM?
Yeah.
If you say the answer correctly, you will get a star. Come on.
Because clock is 10 is not the boy is not in the school. AM it's
Okay, what is he doing? Because what is he doing now?
eating
Eating what?
the lunch.
No, not the lunch. He's eating what? Not the lunch.
I know it.
Okay, say. Breakfast. He's eating the breakfast.
Yeah, breakfast.
Okay. So usually, when do you eat breakfast? In the morning or in the evening?
In the evening.
When do you eat breakfast? When you wake?
In the morning.
Of course, in the morning. So that's why you write here AM, right? So here
Yes.
you write
AM.
Yeah, AM. So the answer of number 2 is 7:10 AM. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, you get a star. So number 2 answered, write it. It's 7:10 AM. We wrote AM, we circled AM, not PM. Why? Because he is eating the breakfast. And you think, when do I eat breakfast? Of course, it's in the morning, not in the evening. It is something that I do when the sun is rising. It's immediately when I get up from sleep, right? Okay, let's continue. Now, question number 3. It's not number 3, it's the same number 2, but the next part of the question, okay? It says, tell how you knew whether to select AM or PM. We already answered this, me and Ru'ya, we already answered this. We said that I know it's AM, not PM, because in the morning, okay? Because it is something that I do in the morning. So here, what do you need to write, guys? Okay, so the answer will be like this. I will show you the answer. Write it with me. Write it with me, okay, guys? So it's the answer of number 2, the second part of the question. You write like this. People eat breakfast in the morning. This is the answer. That's how we know it's AM, not PM. So write the answer, please. You write this answer in number 2 question, okay? It's the same. People eat breakfast in the morning. That's why we know that it is AM, not PM. So the answer is people eat breakfast in the morning, and the answer is 7:10 AM. Let's continue now. Let's continue. Okay, we finished page 393. Let's go to the second page. I'm going to share it now with you. Okay, you can see it now. So this is page 394. Okay, let's do question number 3. Okay, let's read it together. Okay, so number 3, you need to say if the sentence is true or not. If it's true, then you will say yes. You will like just write on the yes, and if it's no, you will write on the no. Okay, so is the sentence true? Choose yes or no. Okay, the first sentence, there are about 52 weeks in 1 year. Is it yes or no? There are 52 weeks in 1 year. Is it yes or no? Ayub?
No. Oh, yes.
We said this in the beginning of the lesson. We said that there are 52 weeks in 1 year, right? Don't forget that, Ayub. So, number 1 is yes. Circle yes, okay? Or choose yes in the blue circle. Just write in the blue circle, okay? It is yes. The first sentence is yes. Okay, the second question now. The second sentence, sorry. 19 days is longer than 2 weeks. Is it true or not? Is it yes or no? 19 days is longer than 2 weeks. If you want to know the answer, think about how many days does the 2 weeks have. If 1 week is 7 days, so 2 weeks is 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. So which one is longer, 19 or 14? So they are saying that 19 days is longer than 2 weeks. So is it yes or no, Sarah?
Yes.
Of course. Very good. So the sentence number 2 here, 19 days is longer than 2 weeks. So choose yes. Choose yes. Now, sentence number 3, 3 weeks is less than 20 days. 3 weeks is less than 20 days. Is it true or not? Is it yes or not? Think about it this way. They are saying 3 weeks, and every week has 7 days. So 7 plus 7 plus 7, because 3 weeks. So 3 sevens, right? So 7 plus 7 plus 7 is how much? I don't know. I think it's 21. It's 21 days. So is 3 weeks less than 20 days? Yes or no? Maria?
No.
Of course. Very good, Maria. So the sentence number 3, no. 3 weeks is less than 20 days is wrong. No, because 3 weeks has 21 days. It's greater than 20. It's more than 20, not less. Okay? So number 3, this is 1. 3 weeks is less than 20 days? No, right? No. Okay, the last sentence here. 9 days is less than 1 week. 9 days is less than 1 week. If you want to know the answer, think about how many days are there in 1 week. Count them. Are they more than 9 or less than 9? And then you can answer the question correctly. So they are saying 9 days is less than 1 week. Erin.
No.
Great. Amazing job, Erin. Of course, no, because 1 week is 7 days. And they are saying 9 days is less than 1 week, which is 7 days. So it is wrong. No. So the last one is no. So here, exercise number 4, we are not going to do it because it's about money. Any question that you find here about money, we are not going to take it, okay? Skip it. Let's go to number 5, okay? Number 5. Write the time that is shown on this clock. Who can tell me what is the time here in numbers? Come on, what is the time? This is exercise number 5, page 394. What is the time? Erin, Maria, Sidqi. I need more hands. More hands. Abdullah, what are you doing? Can you tell me the time, Abdullah?
What?
Are you with me or not?
I am.
Okay, then tell me the answer of number 5. What is the time that you can see on the clock?
8
Yes?
o'clock.
8 and what? And how many? We write
8
8.
and 1.
No.
I mean 8 and 5.
Very good. Yes. Now you have it correct. Amazing. Very good. So it's 8 and 5. Very good. Next time, raise your hand because you know the answer. Okay, guys. So number 5, it's 8, 5. You're going to write it like this. So this is number 5. You're going to write the time like this. 8, 0, 5. Write it like this. Okay. So this is number 5. It is 805. Write it like this, guys. 805. This is number 5. Question number 5. Okay. Let's continue. I think you finished. Okay, let's do number 6. It's also about time. Okay, let's read the question together. What time is shown on the clock? Fill in the bubble next to all the ways to write or say the time. So here, I think you will find 2 correct answers. You will say the time in 2 ways. Look at the time and say, choose 2 of this, okay? Is it 4:35 or 7:20 or 35 minutes past 4 or quarter past 4? Which one is it? I need 2 answers. Ibrahim.
Finish.
Okay, can you tell me the answer
Okay.
of number 6? Do you know the answer?
Yes.
Okay, which one? Is it number 1, 2, 3, or 4?
1 and 3.
Amazing! Very good, Ibrahim. Great job. You are amazing. So, guys, the answer is 4:35. Circle it. And 35 minutes past 4. Number 1 and number 3. Choose it. Did you finish, guys? Okay. Hello, Omar. Okay. So, number 6, the answer is the first one and the third one. 4:35 and 35 minutes past 4. Okay, go to page 396. 396. 396. Okay, let's start with exercise number 9. We have 3 o'clocks. I need you to tell me the time of each one of them. Okay, the first clock. Who can tell me what time is it? What do I write here? Layan. Layan.
4
Yeah?
and 20.
No. Is it 20? The minute hand is at 6.
30 and 30.
Great job. Great job. So the first clock of number 9 is 4:30. I'm going to write it for you so you can see it. This is number 9. The first clock is 4:30. You write it like this. 4:30. This is the first clock. So here in number 9, right here, the second clock, it is 7:30. Okay? And the third clock, who can tell me the third clock? The third clock, look at it. What time is it? Erin.
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. So it is 5:00, right? Okay, guys. So the third one is 5:00. So it is 5:00. So number 9, the first clock is 4:30, the second clock is 7:30, and the third clock is 5:30. Abdullah, did you finish writing, Abdullah?